Here's my pony. Let's start both hands on middle C position in the right hand and left hand in the bass C position. And once again, we're going to be exploring with that snowman chord or chord C. Right hand, let's start. Jump. Smooth. Move the thumb up. Move back to C position, left hand. And a scale. Let's look at the right hand. I'm starting on middle C position and I'm going to be skipping a broken C chord up. C, jump, jump. 2, 3, 4, and glue together. 2, 3, 4. Wait, wait. Skipping. Wait, wait. Let's jump up. 2, 3, 4. Glue together. 2, 3, 4. Left hand, once again, we have the chord 1, C, E, and G. Jump, rest, jump, rest. Rest. Move our thumb up to B. Play that again. Move back down to C position. Let's start on the chord. And a scale.